some work. You've been a bit distracted. I was wanting to tell you, I've seen Enrique lingering around the graveyard.
Him? Come on.
I've been missing Jaden, but I mean, you've got other things to do as well.
Of course. He's my life. He's my soulmate.
Jaden!
So I met this man at work. And he soon became the light of my life. Suddenly, time begins to move again, and the seasons run their course. Yet here I stand, still drowning in my emotions. His presence, Jaden's presence, is all around me. I see him and my little sister. He took us everywhere and anywhere we wanted to go. She had just been getting better, especially within the company of a twin. In the midst of so much sadness, even love can turn into fury, and we turn away, clinging to the past. I miss him.
Jaden!
I just want a glimpse of him.
Jaden? Jaden!
One more.
as I face the